Yeah, cattle rustling has been pandemic and chronic problem within the security architecture in our country. And I remember one time we wanted to amend the law and put it under the penal code. I don't think we have reached a stage where we should put them and categorize them under terrorism. And if you look at the Terrorism Act, the Speaker and Chair and members, I don't think cattle rustling falls within that. Cattle rustling just needs a committed multi-security agency, a committed political will, a committed government that will make sure roads are open, development are taken to those regions, and culprits are dealt with. And even use Article 241, Sub-Article 3(2) C, as Honorable Raso has said. And this government is ready to do that. Secondly, more fundamentally, I think Kenya Defense Forces or the Ministry of Defense will set up bases and camps, serious camps, in those regions to deal with cattle rustling. And I can assure you, Honorable Member and the people watching me, that it will not be business as usual under the leadership on the Commander-in-Chief, Honorable William Ruto. It will not be. Secondly, I don't know this.